back to my channel. So today I am doing something a little bit more different than what I normally do. I'm going to do an unboxing of this A20 Samsung Galaxy, and we just going to get right into it. So this is from Metro PCS. You know, they partner with T-Mobile or whatever. So this is from them, and this is how it comes in the box. Now mind you, I did of course have to open it for them to get everything set up, and I've been using it for a couple of days so I can give you guys a little bit more on how I feel about things. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the specs for the A20. So let's start off with the screen. The screen is a 6.4 inch HD, which is awesome because I love big screens. I don't like the little bitty things when my fingers start bumping into each other when I'm trying to type. I need space, okay? Alright, so down from the screen, we already know, of course, it's 4G LTE. The battery, the talk time is up to 26 hours, and the battery itself is 4,000 mAh. I got no idea what that stands for, but let me tell you, that's what that is, okay? The weight is 5.96 ounces. The storage is, on the phone itself, is 32, but it can go up to 512. What? Thank you, that's all I need. The camera, let's get to the camera. So the front facing camera is 8 megapixels, while the back is 13 plus 5 megapixels. Now, the lady, she tried to explain to me like the 13 plus 5 megapixels camera on the back, but I think she just says like you still get a good quality like if you was to zoom in. No, don't quote me on that because my brain be hurting, and I don't be listening all the time. We're gonna go ahead and open this boy up. So it's not how it really comes, but for the most part. That's boring. Enough of that. We're gonna go ahead and get this turned on. So this is how it's gonna go ahead and start up. Now, I did end up recording, if you familiar with my channel, I did end up recording my last video, which was my tire video, off the front facing camera. And the front facing is 8 megapixels, which was the same thing as my other Galaxy S8 that I lost. So that was my main goal, was to try to find something better or that matched that, so my quality could be, you know, the same. So of course I went ahead and I went in and I just, you know, got me different wallpapers, screensavers, and I got something to say about that. Now, I went to the Samsung store and I got me I guess it was like either a neon or a dolphin type of screensaver. Man, when I put that thing up there, half the stuff was done, half the other stuff wasn't done. I'm like, y'all stupid. So I just went into the regular Google Play Store and I just went ahead and downloaded just one from there, and it was this one, and it turned out fine. But the other one, I don't know. That Samsung store, I'm not really a fan of it. So, okay, as you see, I'm just scrolling. It scrolls pretty good. It touches pretty good. But you know, I got those flat tips, so sometimes I really got to give it a good touching. But for the most part, it's good. Now, let's go and let's see how loud it gets in the video. We're going to put in some good stuff right here. I mean, it's going decent enough for me. And turn it, that's all the way up. So it's pretty loud. It's pretty loud. I like how I could see it clear. How about we get to something? Yeah. So that's how it looks. I actually recorded this on another one of these phones, front facing. So this is how it looks front facing, which I'm satisfied with because I am not a professional. So that's pretty good. And then I just pretty much went through and just went ahead and just kind of like personalized it for myself. So instead of having like the little notches down here, I just have these little lines, and that'll take me home. Or for example, let's say I want to go back, then I'll just go ahead and push that little line. If I want to exit all the way out, I'll go ahead and push the middle. That's gonna take me back to home. And it's the same buttons, just different ways, and to have it less off the screen so you can get the most use out of your screen. Overall, so far, I like the phone. I've only used it for about not even a week, but overall, I like the phone. I wish it did have like the wireless charging, but I hear there's ways you could get around that. Like you go buy this little thing and sticking it to the bottom, but I feel like that's extra. But it's whatever. But everything pretty much works good. Now I did play a game on here. Alright, so I currently suck at this game. This is Roblox Murder Mystery. And you see how it is? I'm gonna get killed, but do you see how it is? It's a little laggish to me if you ask me. But Roblox sucks. Excuse me. Roblox does that. Don't suck that bad. So, but this is the only game I've tried on here, so I can't really say, but I'm gonna find a different game and tell you how that works. Like I said, it's not the S10 or anything, but it does a doggone good job for what it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. See you in my next video.